Welcome to Understanding Economics, where today we'll be diving into a fundamental concept in banking and finance, the deposit creation multiplier. The deposit creation multiplier is a ratio that calculates the maximum amount of commercial bank money that can be created, given a certain amount of central bank money. This process begins with a deposit at a bank. To grasp this better, consider a scenario. You deposit $1,000 in a bank, with a required reserve ratio of 10%. The bank is obligated to keep $100, but can lend out $900 to other customers, who may then deposit this amount in banks. Each deposit and subsequent loan increases the total money supply. Let's illustrate with a detailed step-by-step example. Example: initial deposit and the multiplier effect. Step 1. You deposit $1,000 in Bank A. Step 2. Bank A keeps 10% as reserves, $100, and lends out $900. Step 3. The borrower spends the $900, and the recipient deposits this money in Bank B. Step 4. Bank B keeps 10% of $900, $90, as reserves and lends out $810. Over multiple rounds, the initial $1,000 deposit expands to a far greater amount in the banking system. Now, let's visualize the cumulative process of money creation step by step. Next, let's address common questions. What happens if the reserve ratio changes? How can central banks influence this process? Question 1. What if the reserve ratio is increased? Answer: a higher reserve ratio results in a lower multiplier, meaning less money is created per dollar deposited. For example, with a 20% reserve ratio, the new deposit creation multiplier is 1 divided by 0.20 is equal to 5. Furthermore, central banks can influence the process through monetary policy tools like open market operations, discount rates, and changing reserve requirements. Monetary policy tools indirectly influence how much new money banks can create from deposits. Let's recap. The deposit creation multiplier showcases the power of deposits in creating additional money within the banking system. It's intricately linked to the reserve ratio and central bank policies. I hope this video has clarified how the deposit creation multiplier works and the influential role it plays within our economy. Thank you for watching.